Alright guys, I am back here with a Flying Fox construction update. And guys, I showed you that we have liftoff. We have the lift right here, as you can see. Look at that, guys. This is the lift. Right here. Look at that color though, guys. Green. That is nice. Don't know what's in this though. I don't know. Sorry guys. These are the steps for the lift. Guys, I got one more thing to show you. We have more lift. I'm gonna show you again. I'll show you a different time now. We got a different lift now. Ready? I'm gonna cover it up. Ready? Reveal in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Yes, sir. Let's go. We have more lift. Look at that. Nice. We have more lift. We have the bottom of the lift and the top of the lift. So what do you think, guys? They're gearing up. I don't know when they're going to be doing, when they're going to start putting this stuff up. I don't know. I'm assuming they're probably going to wait for more stuff to come in. I don't know. But we've got this. We got the bottom of the lift, top of the lift. We have the walkway for the lift right there. I don't know what's in those. And then we have the lift too as well, guys. Look at that. Let's go.